All right, we're still tracking storms. The good news is they are weakening as they head towards the city of Toronto now that the sun is starting to go down, but we're still going to be in for some gusty winds and some heavy downpours here, just starting to move into the extreme west end of the GTHA. We'll talk about the heat first. Heat warnings, this is likely going to be in place for another day and a half. Friday, midday, cold front is going to put an end to that. And the MUGGY meter shows that very nicely here with that humidity really taking a drop on Friday. I think you really got to wait until Friday afternoon before we get into the much more comfortable air mass. Now, severe thunderstorm warnings all gone for the GTHA and for southwestern Ontario. We do still have a severe thunderstorm warning, though, up into Parry Sound. So up around Georgian Bay, we're seeing some stronger storms. But look at that. The lightning completely fading as it's heading towards the Niagara Peninsula. And, you know, storms like to go up. They don't like to go down. So this is sort of what's left of the more serious storms heading towards us. Even the hail risk is like out of range. That means looking to be less and less, that hail risk here as we go into this evening. But Milton, you're likely going to get some heavy downpours here within the next hour. Toronto may get a few sprinkles. However, tomorrow morning, it's going to be areas to the north once again, up around Georgian Bay, Cottage Country, Northern York, Durham, Barrie, Dufferin, Innisfil. You're going to be in for the stronger storms in the morning. This model keeps it completely out of downtown, although I think we have a good shot at getting some rain. But I'm not so worried and concerned about the severity of the storms for the South GTA. It's going to be areas off to the north. And look what happens tomorrow afternoon. That's a good day to plan some patio weather because it's going to be nice and dry. Forecast storm impacts. It's going to be really the wind and the rain, the biggest impacts through tomorrow. And that means power outages. The risk is going to mainly be off to the north. So charge up your devices, especially up through Cottage Country, Caledon, up into Richmond Hill and areas to the north. All right, I'll leave you with... I didn't want to leave you with this. I did want to leave you with the 7-day forecast. But you know what? I will. I'll tweet out this 7-day forecast right now at City Natasha on Twitter. All you need to know is humidity breaks Friday, storms early tomorrow morning, and a dry seasonal weekend ahead.